Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pro-style blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. If you're looking to invest in a versatile blender that will last you years, the 2.2 horsepower Vitamix A3500 is the best pro-style blender we've tested. In addition to making the smoothest smoothies during testing, the A3500 churned out the silkiest almond butters, blended the creamiest squash soup, and milled grains to the finest texture. Unlike its predecessors, the A3500 features a touchscreen instead of switches. We like how responsive the touchscreen is. Even a drop of water can turn it on. We also appreciate how intuitive the controls are. In the center of the touchscreen is a knob that lets you choose the intensity of the blend, or choose from the 5 presets shown above the knob: smoothie, sorbet, soup, spreads, and self-clean. It's packed with all the bells and whistles you'd expect from a high-end blender, plus Bluetooth connectivity that links this gadget to your phone. You can browse recipes, take advantage of additional presets, baby food, ice cream, nut milk in the app, and make shopping lists for future blends. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Breville Super Q Blender, a supercharged and super quiet version of our previous winner from Breville. The Super Q is everything we look for in a professional grade blender. From mixing liquids to finely milling almonds, this blender handled each task we threw at it with ease. It's also a shapeshifter. The Super Q easily adapts into a food processor, ice cream maker, and personal blender with the addition of presets and included attachments. The 12-speed Breville wowed us with its 68 ounces jar and the sleek, intuitive design. Our fingers floated naturally to every button and knob, and the 5 included presets proved foolproof. That's because they're written out in words. There's no need to decode any hieroglyphics or use trial and error. There's even a distinction between making smoothies and green smoothies. The included 24 ounces travel cup is perfect for people who want to make their smoothies and go. We also loved the digital display that features a timer and precise setting controls. At number 3, we have the Vitamix 5300 Blender. Vitamix is a well-known name in blenders for a reason. Customers rave about the build quality and robustness of these American-made blenders. The 5200 series is one of Vitamix's most popular and affordable blenders, but the 5300 series offers a more powerful 2.2 horsepower motor and a lower height that fits underneath cabinets. We think the 5300 series, $529 MSRP, is a little too high. But if you buy one through the Vitamix Certified Reconditioned Blender program, you can get the superior 5300 for just $300, even less than a new 5200 series. That's what earned it our best value pick previously. Vitamix says its reconditioned blenders are returned to original factory condition by the manufacturer and come with a 5-year warranty. Pair that level of manufacturer support with the powerful motor and incredibly low price, and you've got a fantastic deal on your hands. At number 2, we have the Vitamix 5200 Blender, professional grade blender. The popular 5200 series is a classic Vitamix blender. Part of the company's older C-series, the 5200 is sturdy and more affordable than other models wearing a Vitamix badge. Simple and stripped down, it comes with no presets, a 2 HP motor, and a 64 ounces jar. It's nearly as powerful and offers the same range of control as the next generation 5300 or G-Series 780 machines we tested. Still, at $449 new and $299 refurbished, we think a refurbished 5300 is a better buy. That's largely because the 5200's design is narrower and taller than Vitamix's newer blenders, and it comes with a 3-inch blade instead of a 4-inch blade. That's good for small batches, but you'll need to use the tamper more often when blending larger loads. What's more of an issue is the added height. Unless you have a whopping 20.5 inches between your countertop and your upper kitchen cabinets, this lanky model won't fit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Blender. The Cuisinart Hurricane Pro is by no means a bad blender, but with such a high price point, this machine looks mediocre in comparison to others on our list. It initially gained favor for its sleek, intuitive design that offered a few straightforward presets and a range of control usually reserved for the biggest budgets. As our testing progressed, however, we began to see past its shiny exterior. While its smoothie preset chopped kale on par with the highest-ranked Vitamix blenders, this Cuisinart fell short in both mixing fruits and yogurts. Worse, it completely tanked on tougher tasks like crushing ice and frozen berries. For the price, we expected a lot more. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.